How to disable your iPhone location tracking. So in this video, I'll show you how to stop people and apps from tracking you on your iPhone. Now first go and load up your settings. You can then scroll down this page and go and click on privacy and security. Now select location services. And now we have a few options. So you can either just turn off the location services altogether and press turn off. And this will turn off all of the location services for all of your apps. You'll also need to select share my location and make sure share my location is switched off. And this will hide your device in the Find My app. So basically anyone that you have added to your Find My app, this could be friends or family, they'll no longer be able to see your live location. Now you also have the option to switch off Find My iPhone, but typically I recommend keeping this turned on, as if you do lose your phone or your phone is stolen, then you'll need to use this in order to recover your device. Now an alternative method is you can leave location services turned on, and what you can do is you can just disable the location for a specific app. So let's say I wanted to stop TikTok from using my location, I can click on it and I can just set location access to never. So that's how to stop your iPhone location tracking.